CROcoin definitely offers some really convincing ways to make massive amounts of passive income in 2022. How exactly does it work? And how much money can you make? Stick around until the end of the video to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss how to use CROcoin to produce passive income. But before that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell to stay notified. Let's head into it. Earn passive income with the CROcoin. Without a doubt, Crypto.com is the site with the most popular advertisements for cryptocurrencies, with the possible exception of FTX. Apart from that, with Crypto.com now occupying a large portion of the Staples Center in Los Angeles, it is difficult to ignore the Singapore-based company. Approximately 10 million people have already downloaded the Crypto.com app, which allows them to trade hundreds of different tokens and store them in their personal digital wallet. Crypto.com, like a few other cryptocurrency exchanges, offers incentives to customers who make use of its Crypto.com coin cryptocurrency trading platform, aka CRO. Buyers of CRO will be eligible for some of Crypto.com's most generous benefits, including free Bitcoin and free Bitcoin Cash. Bonus: while users are hodling, Crypto.com provides them with a few opportunities to earn additional CRO through various programs. CRO is an interesting cryptocurrency for anyone who has a Crypto.com account and is interested in learning more about how it can be used to generate passive income. True, you are not required to use this token in order to access the Crypto.com platform. However, CRO has the potential to increase the profitability of your in-app experience if used properly. A variety of features and benefits are available to users of the Crypto.com app and desktop exchange as other cryptocurrency exchange platforms. Through the use of CRO and other crypto exchange tokens, users who stake a certain amount of CRO, for example, may be eligible to apply for one of the company's popular metal Visa debit cards, which are available in a variety of colors and designs. In addition, traders could stake some CRO on the Crypto.com exchange in order to benefit from discounts on maker and taker fees, in addition to other advantages. In addition to its role as an incentive token, CRO is used as gas on Crypto.com's new CRONOS blockchain, which was launched earlier this year. Users of the apps built on the CRONOS blockchain will be required to pay a small amount of CRO for each transaction in order to use the services. In many ways, CRONOS Smart Chain is very similar to the Binance Smart Chain, with the exception that CRONOS is owned by Crypto.com, which is a significant distinction. To no one's surprise, the most convenient way to purchase CRO is through the Crypto.com mobile application. As a result of CRO's ascendance to the top of the cryptocurrency heap, it is becoming increasingly easier to locate the cryptocurrency on other major exchanges. It's worth noting that you can purchase CRO using your Coinbase account. Now that you have hopefully gained a little more knowledge about conversion rate optimization, you may be wondering how to make the most of it. Of course, you could purchase and hodl CRO if you are committed to the project for an extended period of time. There are numerous simple ways to improve conversion rate optimization that don't require you to lift a finger. So, let's take a look at 3 of the most straightforward ways to generate passive income with CRO. By the way, did you know about the CROcoin? Let us know in the comments section down below. Consider a Crypto.com earn term. Crypto.com, like Gemini, has a earn feature built into its mobile application, which is similar to that of Gemini. Crypto.com account holders could access the section of the app by entering the Crypto.com logo from the app's homepage and then selecting Earn as shown below. These interest-bearing accounts can be funded by users depositing a variety of cryptocurrencies into them through the Crypto.com website. Clients were given the option of selecting one of the 3 term limits, which were as follows. Despite the fact that your total interest will increase for 1 or 3-month contracts, keep in mind that you will not be able to access that cryptocurrency during the duration of the contract. People who agree to deposit CRO on Crypto.com's Earn platform will receive one of 3 annual percentage yields at the time of deposit. The yields are as follows: 2 percentage point flexible, 4 percentage point 1 month, 6 percentage points 3 months. Clients who use Earn will receive their proportional CRO interest in 7-day installments every week, rather than all at once. The fact that staking CRO in this Earn platform provides users with a number of additional benefits should not be overlooked. If you stake a large enough amount of CRO, it is possible that you will earn higher interest rates on other cryptocurrencies, including stablecoins, as a result of your investment. Additionally, if you wish to apply for one of Crypto.com's Visa debit cards, you must first stake a certain amount of CRO in Earn, which brings us to our next point. Also, make sure to write your thoughts on these ways to earn passive income with CRO in the comments section. Apply for a CRO Reward Visa debit card. In addition to its brightly colored selection of Visa debit cards, Crypto.com is well known for offering customers crypto back rewards in the form of cryptocurrency on a regular basis, CRO. Your generated CRO is automatically deposited into your associated Crypto.com account each time you make a purchase on the site. Aside from that, because the debit card communicates with your Crypto.com app, you have the option of top-upping your card at any time with cryptocurrency or fiat currency. Apart from the fact that you can earn CRO points with every purchase, Crypto.com is a fantastic choice. Streaming services such as Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon Prime are eligible for cashback rewards when using Visa credit cards. Higher-tier credit cards will reimburse you for a portion of the cost of your Airbnb or Expedia accommodations. Take note, however, that Crypto.com is only providing its 1% CRO back card in the color Midnight Blue as part of its free offering. The other 4 Visa cards will require you to deposit some CRO into an Earn account for a period of 6 months in order to be considered for them. Dabble with Crypto.com DeFi Earn. The DeFi wallet from Crypto.com, which is available for free download here, is required in order to take advantage of this final tip. As opposed to the cold wallet function of the standard Crypto.com application, this DeFi application functions as a hot wallet. The private keys for any cryptocurrency you store in your Crypto.com DeFi wallet are yours alone, as a result, and you have complete control over them. Through the Earn feature of the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, users were able to stake certain coins, such as CRO, in exchange for cash. Yes, this is similar to depositing funds on Crypto.com Earn, with the exception that it is done on DeFi rather than Crypto.com. The DeFi wallet offers a number of advantages over staking on the Crypto.com app, the most notable of which are higher interest rates and the ability to unstake at any time. It is always possible that your validator will be fired for inappropriate behavior, which is the negative side of the coin. It is possible that you will be unable to obtain your CRO if this occurs. As a result, it is critical that you carefully review the list of CRO validators and choose one who has a positive reputation in the industry. If you choose to remove CRO from the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, you will not be able to access your funds until you have completed the process. You should expect your unstaked CRO to appear in your Crypto.com DeFi wallet after you have completed the transaction within 28 days of completing it. After all, you can easily earn up to $15,000 passive income per month with these methods. What do you think about CRO? Do you use it to make passive income? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world of cryptocurrencies. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.